to our channel. We are the J.G.J. FIZZY, and today we're going to be doing a kids experiment. Yay! Whoop! Whoop, whoop.
We're going to use baking soda and lemon.
That will leave you a nice, yummy, fizzy lemon thing. Now to the ingredients. Janai, what do we have?
So we have lemon, 8 cups.
And we also have sugar, water, and a teaspoon. What else, Jaden?
We have baking soda and this.
Yeah, that's more baking soda.
More baking soda.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna squeeze the lemon in, and we have to get as much as lemon juice as we can. So we have to squeeze very hard so that we can get as much as lemon. And if you guys have the lemon or the orange squeezer, that will be even better and easier.
They feel good.
Squeezing our lemon. Now we have the same amount of water right here, and we're going to pour the water inside the lemon. Okay, good job. Here comes the experiment. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda to make the fizziness.
Whoa! Looks like bubbles!
It's bubbling!
Bubbles!
Whoa, guys!
It's like all the way up here. It's like we're scientists.
Yes, we are.
Whoa! That's cool.
Guys, it's so bubbly now. Now we're gonna mix it. Fizzy.
Fizziness.
It's like Sprite.
It's so much like Sprite. Hey, put your hands up. So now our fizzy lemonade is done. But we just need to add a little sugar to taste. Stop.
Guys, now we're gonna taste it. Okay, who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay. Good? Okay, Jaden, your turn. Good?
Yeah, I like it. Yay!
That's good.
Yeah.
Guys, try this at home. It's really good.
It's really good, guys. We can make a million. That looks like juice.
Yes.
We can have a lemonade party. It does look like lemonade. It does look like juice.
Yes, it looks like both of them.
It does look like juice, right?
Oh, it's so fizzy.
Fizzy.
And I can hear it.
Thank you guys for watching. And follow us on Instagram at
J.G.J. Fun TV. And also subscribe and hit that like button if you haven't yet. Thank you all for watching. Bye.